What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome to our channel, Cool Case Adventures. Your Central Florida family happens to be here at Disney Magic Kingdom, and in this video, guys, we're here for a cast preview of Buzz Lightyear.
You're welcome.
Space Rangers. Are we done over here?
I mean, I got every now and then I have to because annual pass holders get all the love. So when we get it, we gotta like.
It's okay, it's okay. Thank you, Mom. Thank you.
Shout out to all the cast members. Anyway, guys, we're coming here to do the cast preview of Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger, which is a ride that we enjoy a lot. And it's been down now for like, I want to say 7 to 9 months around. It had a total refurbishment, and I'm excited. So we're gonna show you every single detail that we can remember the difference, you know.
I have to warm up.
Yeah, so you're gonna win?
I'm gonna warm up.
Who's gonna win? You?
So I don't remember a time that Kyla did win.
You know what? He's right on that one.
But today, I guess, might be the day to make history.
She has one more opportunity to actually try to beat either Khalil or me. So we shall see. Anyway, guys, if you enjoy this type of content, Disney content, we highly suggest that you stick around because we have a bunch to show you. We also suggest that you
Subscribe.
And smash that like button.
if we're sharing available content with you. Fam, are we ready?
Yes.
Awesome, Kazam. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go.
But wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat
It is a busy morning here at the Magic Kingdom, and it is spring break for a lot of the counties here in Florida. So this is interesting. You have a cast preview plus spring break. Whew. So anyway, we're gonna start heading to Tomorrowland to check it out, but can't wait to experience Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger spin. And actually, I want to note that it's reopening for everybody on April 8th, Karen.
April 8th.
And we get to see it, experience it now.
Make sure it's working for you guys.
Right. So we shall see. Hopefully they allow us to record. I've seen people posting videos here and there, but sometimes Disney changes rules.
Within like overnight, within the day, within hours.
Yeah.
We'll see what they.
Disney is always Disney with guests and cast member.
Yeah.
Where the magic can be given
And take it away.
really quick. But hopefully with Josh that will never happen. I want to take a moment to show you guys that the castle finally has been repainted to its original color. Last time we were here, they were not completed yet. But look, gray and blue, original color. I love that color. Comment down below. Do you like that color? Do you enjoy the other color, the pinkish? Actually, they still have a section that they haven't finished. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's another section in that side they haven't finished, so it's either that's what it was, that color over there. So I don't know, I like the original color. Heading towards Tomorrowland, I already see the line over there for the cast member, friends and family. We have a time slot. I said hours is 11:30 to 12. Today is the first day of cast preview, I believe. The main entrance still under construction. I see the construction walls down there. I'll show it to you guys when I'm closer. But apparently the line starts over here. I wish I would have seen that sign earlier. That way I wouldn't have to walk that way. We're gonna come this way. But this is the beginning of the line, just so you guys know. Or end of the line. So be interesting. Karen, start timing just in case. I'm wondering how long it takes us.
You just said about an hour.
He said about an hour and a half. So this is the line like when something is given for free at Disney. Pretty much.
You don't get a lot.
You don't get a lot, that's right. Cast member don't get much stuff. But hey, let's
enjoy it.
yeah, that's right.
Enjoy the ride, folks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Like anything else in a theme park during busy season,
You gotta wait.
just pack your patience. And the hype about having a new almost ride is real. Look at this. It's a lot of people. The queue line continues to be all the way to the back. Just like I mentioned earlier, the construction wall continues to be there. The sign is not even there yet. But basically, I don't know if you guys can see the family. The family is right over there. So we still have all the way to go through there. I think we're about 45 minutes to 1 more hour. We'll see. So, yeah, I'm just leaving that over there.
That's fine.
They just told us how much longer from this point?
45 minutes.
45
halfway
minutes.
there, guys. 45 more minutes. You're
We're
almost
halfway
there.
there. So, if you ever wonder what's behind the construction walls,
Nothing. The queue line.
there's literally nothing. I'm assuming, obviously, to avoid people from going into this section, but because they're gonna be working on that sign. But that's pretty much it. A shot of the behind the construction wall.
I like how this is here.
Well, that I guess, yeah, that doesn't make sense.
This is for cast member, but I like it. Pardon our dusting.
Finally, we are in the queue line. As you can see, bus is behind curtain, but everything looks freshly painted for sure.
No, they're all so good.
What's wrong with you?
Life.
Life is wrong with you?
Life. I'm about to beat all of you guys. It's just gonna be really sad.
Look, I'll be honest. There's nothing about your life right now that is bad. You are literally in Walt Disney World, about to experience
About to beat all of you guys.
new redone ride, experience something new.
Right.
We're,
Life really can't be this.
we're blessed.
We are blessed.
We're blessed. I'm actually blessed. Here we go, our first look in person of this ride. Look at the vehicles. That's kind of cool though. Karen, how long it took us? Like an hour and a half?
An hour 30.
An hour 30, all right. POV. Oh, look at the screen, Kala. The screen is new. Brand new. Digital. Guns. Look, Kala, the guns, you can move them around. Look at the laser. Ah, cool. All right, I see. That's cool, though. I'll tell you what, I like it. Okay.
Great work, team. Power must power. Join me and together defeat Buzz Lightyear. Power must power.
I don't remember that. The volcano is the one that I remember here, but hello. Turn us that way, hello. There you go.
Excellent maneuvering.
Well, clearly I'm not doing well. Khalil is actually killing it right now.
Keep steering straight to Zerg's mothership.
So it feels like if you hit the middle, there you go. If you hit, every time you hit the middle, that's how you get it.
Well done, team.
Now you have to hit the middle right there, you see? So you're in legit competition with everybody trying to hit the middle. That's what's going on.
Stay laser focused on your laser focus.
I did a little bit better. Khalil definitely is. So you have to hit the middle of the circle. It's not like before.
Reconnect the power cells. Power! I need
Oh, hello, the battery. Oh, they're on the bottom.
No one can stop me now.
Attention Space Rangers, your Star Cruisers have been temporarily deactivated.
Ah, my finger is
For your
getting
safety,
tired.
Please remain seated. Your mission will resume momentarily.
No one can stop me now.
Oh, the one on the back.
Reconnect the power cells. Power! I need
Normally it's the battery, so I don't know.
No, I'm just saying, like, no one else is holding it.
No one can stop me now.
So right now I'm just hitting the same spot because
Reconnect the power cells. Power! I need more.
Attention Space Rangers, your mission will resume immediately. For your safety, please remain seated.
also it's on top of sword. Oh, I see, it's on top of sword. So they actually changed the spots.
Follow Zerg.
This is it, Space Rangers. We stop Emperor Zurg once and for all.
So they changed the spot for the Galactic Hero now. It's not that same. Alright, the screen also changed. The animation, I read that they work with Pixar to change this animation, which is cool.
Space Rangers. Zurg's secret weapon is nearly destroyed.
Oh, so it takes multiple pictures too now. Okay.
Green Squadron. Securing the power cells are
Hello is killing it on his first try.
Take it from here.
We did it. So that's it, Kyle 318. I did 216. Kyla 200. Kyla beat me?
Oh, I told you.
You did not beat Kyla, that's for sure.
I know.
Wow.
That was
I feel bad that Kyla actually beat me.
Hey, but it's okay, you got a camera in your hand and she don't got
I do have a camera in my hand. I recorded the whole experience. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Currently, the store and all that is closed. All right, ladies, what do you think?
I love it.
I love it. I love the change.
I did not realize for whatever reason that you could pull the gun out, so I was literally like shooting like
Yeah,
this
so
all the
that's
time.
one of the changes. And
So
the
you-
digital screen. Yeah, you can move it now.
Yeah, you can move it now, and I like how you really feel when you hit the target.
Yes.
I like that.
I really
So
like
that
that.
score was 216, 510. My score was 318, 145.
Kyla was. Hold on, guys.
238 was Kyla because she beat me.
And I still got 318.
I told you I was going to beat someone today. Today was a good day.
Kyla got 234, and I got 104.
But to be fair,
I was recording.
your mom was recording. I'm recording.
Yeah.
To be fair, I'm
actually recording and narrating what's happening at the same time. What were you doing?
Oh, winning.
She was making sure I didn't have a good shot.
Winning.
Yeah, that's what I don't ride with Kyla. If you know Kyla, never ride with Kyla because she purposely, the minute that she discovers that you have a good target, she changes the vehicle.
Yeah, like who's going to win, me or you? It's always
Yeah, she jeopardizes you. So I'm glad that you actually caught on that because
Yeah.
I did say the last
Anytime I was
time.
in a good one, she'd be like,
The last time I rode this, I said this is the last time I'm riding with Kyla in this
Okay, I was going to say my
attraction.
opinion on the ride.
It's okay, you lost anyway. I I won.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys, so we did it here from the Magic Kingdom. Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger spin. How was it?
I really loved it. 10 out of 10, and I love it all.
Great upgrade.
It was a really good upgrade. First time back, of course, I had to win for the like 70th time in a row.
Boo!
I'm blessed to be here. I would like to thank the audience for cheering me on.
Oh my
We'd
God.
love to thank my parents for bringing me here.
It is it's a really good addition of that ride. One thing that we were talking, explaining to Karen, is the fact that the targets change. I think I mentioned in the video. Before, you could hit the same target and get points. This time, you're forced to hit the middle. And if you, let's say Kaleo, that was happening to me. Kaleo was hitting the middle first. I couldn't get those points. So,
Because you're slow.
so the Galactic Hero, when you hit, what is it, 900,000 points or something like that, it's gonna be extremely hard to get this time. But it made the actual game more
And
competitive.
you come out like with a nameplate like at the end of the ride. So like since I scored more than Dad, I had a different name at the end than he did.
Now it tells you. Before you had to read it, you had to see your points and read it on the wall. Now it tells you on the screen what level you are.
What was your new name? Son of the Goat?
No.
Just family, bruh.
Anyway, guys. Oh, you
Planetary pilots.
The who?
Tyler and I were planetary pilots.
That sound like you were okay.
I was a space ace, and Dad was a planetary pilot. So I was
Damn.
So
So-
Tyler was the only one that.
Yeah, Kala's the only one who really.
a space ace right here.
So they call you the space. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this adventure. Sadly, this adventure has ended. With that said, we have to remind everybody to
Subscribe,
And smash that like button, above notifications.
bing, and feel free to comment down below as number 2.
smile out, be great.
Be cool.
And stay awesome. See you guys next adventure.
Bye,
Bye, guys.
guys.
Boom.
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 See ya.
Bye.